Okay, friend, and welcome back to new spoken Lithuanian lesson. Today we're going to have top 50 adjectives. Basically, lesson part one. I had these lessons about verbs and about nouns before, and I thought that it's about time we go into adjectives. So it's going to be two-part lesson. The first part is now, depending on whether or on when you're actually tuning into this lesson, and the next part is going to be next week. Okay, so it's going to be divided into two parts. By the way, if you want more phrases, more words, you can find like a link in the description in the pinned comment for a PDF and audiobook. It's a completely free. It's my gift to you. Just use it. Learn Lithuanian, language I speak and love every day. So let's immediately get into these top 50 adjectives. So we're going to look through the top 25 adjectives today, and the next part another 25. But the thing is, what I want to look at is I want to look at them, when it comes to basically having them in single, masculine and feminine, and in plural, masculine and feminine. But we're only going to be looking at the nominative case today, right? So if we're going into other cases, now we're changing endings. It's a bit different, So we're only going to look for a specific adjective and those 4 different endings for it. Okay, so first of all, let's look at good, for example, right? So good would be geras, masculine, geri, right? This one, masculine plural, so it's going to always be the same. Masculine plural, geri, then feminine singular, gera, and feminine plural. So geras, geri, gera, geros. Geras, geri, gera, geros. Now, this food is good. This food is good. You're saying šitas maistas yra geras, right? Šitas maistas yra geras. This food is good. Šitas maistas yra geras. She's a good friend. By the way, maistas, of course, is a masculine noun. Therefore, we have geras. She is a good friend. Now, a friend, if I'm saying she, that means friend is going to be in feminine as well. So she is a good friend. Ji, I can omit yra if I want to. Ji yra gera draugė, or just simply ji gera draugė. Ji gera draugė. Ji gera draugė. Bad is blogas, right? Blogi, bloga for feminine, and blogos, meaning feminine plural, right? Blogas, blogi, bloga, blogos. Try to guess these, right? Maybe you know some of them. Maybe you can write 1 or 2 sentences in the comments, and we'll try to fix them for you if there aren't any mistakes, to be fixed. Yeah. So bad weather would be, weather is a masculine noun. That would be blogas oras, right? Blogas oras. Blogas oras. Now big is didelis, dideli, didelė, right? Feminine, and didelės, didelės, feminine plural. So a big house, for example, would be didelis namas. Didelis namas. Again, masculine, right? House, didelis namas. Didelis namas. Now, small is mažas, then maži, maža, and mažos. Mažas, maži, maža, and mažos. So, small problems, a problem is a feminine noun, right? So, small problems would be mažos problemos. Mažos problemos. Mažos problemos. Beautiful is gražus, gražūs, and now we have graži and gražios. Again, this is a nominative. If we go into other cases, it's going to change. And, adjective always has the same case as a noun if they go together, right? But for now, just nominative case. For example, beautiful gardens. Beautiful gardens would be gražūs sodai, because sodas, one, but sodai, plural, gražūs sodai, right? So therefore we have gražūs masculine, right? Beautiful gardens, gražūs sodai. Gražūs sodai. Now ugly is bjaurus, bjaurūs, bjauri, and bjaurios. There's also a verb, an adjective, šlykštus, šlykštus, šlykštūs, šlykšti, šlykščios, right? But I thought that one is a bit more difficult to pronounce, so therefore we're adding bjaurus, which is sort of easier to pronounce a little bit, right? So ugly truth, for example. Ugly truth. So truth is a feminine noun. Therefore, you would say bjauri tiesa. Bjauri tiesa, right? Bjauri tiesa. Now, new would be naujas. Naujas, nauji, nauja, right? And naujos, naujos. So, for example, new shoes. Shoes is a masculine noun, right? Masculine one, but plural, shoes. Therefore, new shoes would be nauji batai. Nauji batai. Nauji batai. Now, old is senas or seni. Then we have sena as well, right? And we have senos, senos. So now young is jaunas, jauni, right? Jauni, jauna, and jaunos, jaunos. So young man would be jaunas vyras, jaunas vyras, jaunas vyras, jaunas vyras. Long is ilgas, ilgas, right? Then in plural ilgi. We have as well ilga and ilgos, ilgos. So long road, road is a masculine noun. Ilgas kelias, ilgas kelias, right? Ilgas kelias, ilgas kelias. Short would be trumpas, trumpas, trumpas. So for those of you who are American, this should be very interesting that short is actually trumpas. So now you know what this word means to us, right? What's the meaning when we hear this surnames in particular, right? So trumpas, trumpi, trumpa, and trumpos, trumpos. So that would be short movie, would be trumpas filmas, trumpas filmas, trumpas filmas, trumpas filmas. Of course, emphasize that we don't say tra like Trumpas, right? It's not like actually the surname, right, of a president. You say tru, trumpas filmas, trumpas filmas. Fast would be greitas, right? Greiti, greita, and greitos, greitos. So now fast food would be greitas maistas, right? Greitas maistas. Greitas maistas. Now, slow is lėtas, right? Lėtas, lėti, lėta, and lėtos, lėtos. So slow computer. Computer is a masculine noun. That would be lėtas kompiuteris. Lėtas kompiuteris. Lėtas kompiuteris. Now, strong would be stiprus, right? Stiprus singular. Then masculine plural would be stiprus, stiprus. Then stipri and stiprios, stiprios. So strong wind would be stiprus vėjas, stiprus vėjas, right? Stiprus vėjas, stiprus vėjas. Again, a masculine noun. Weak is silpnas. Then we have silpni. Then we have silpna for feminine, and feminine plural silpnos. Silpnos, right? Silpnos. So weak current, for example. Weak current, that would be silpna srovė. Silpna srovė. For example, of a river, right? Silpna srovė. So therefore you can actually, go into water. It's not dangerous. So weak current, silpna srovė. Silpna srovė. Silpna srovė. Easy or light, it's the same word in Lithuanian, would be lengvas, right? Lengvas, lengvi. Lengva, lengvos. Lengvas, lengvi, lengva, lengvos. So easy questions That's a masculine noun questions, right? But plural, easy questions, that would be lengvi klausimai, right? Lengvi klausimai. Lengvi klausimai, lengvi klausimai. So now difficult or heavy is sunkus, sunkus, sunki, and sunkios. Sunkus, sunkus, sunki, sunkios. So a difficult task would be sunki užduotis, right? Sunki užduotis. Sunki užduotis. So warm is šiltas, šilti, šilta, and šiltos. Šiltas, plural šilti, feminine šilta, plural šiltos. So warm bed, a bed is a feminine noun. That would be šilta lova. Šilta lova. Šilta lova. Cold is šaltas, šalti, šalta, šaltos. Right? Šaltas, šalti, šalta, šaltos. So basically, if you have been to Lithuania, you know šalti barščiai, right? So barščiai is a beetroot soup. So šalti basically meaning being cold, right? That's what you're actually saying. So that would be cold water. You would say šaltas vanduo. Šaltas vanduo. Šaltas vanduo. Hot is karštas. Karštas, karšti, karšta, karštos. Karštas, karšti, karšta, karštos. Hot summer, so summer is a feminine noun. You would say karšta vasara. Karšta vasara, karšta vasara. So now smart is protingas, protingi, plural, right? Protinga and protingos. So smart person is protingas žmogus, right? Protingas žmogus. Protingas žmogus. Stupid, it's not a nice word, but you have to know it. Kvailas, right? Kvaili, kvaila, kvailos. Kvailas, kvaili, kvailas, kvaili, kvaila, kvailos, kvailos. So a stupid mistake, for example. A stupid mistake would be kvaila klaida. Mistake is a feminine noun, right? Kvaila klaida. Kvaila klaida. Happy as in fun, it's a different word. You have linksmas, linksmi, right? Linksma and linksmos. Linksmas, linksmi, linksma, linksmos. So happy, fun situation would be linksma situacija. Linksma situacija. It's almost like a funny situation. Funny, fun, all of those. You see, there's a different word for funny, which would be jokingas. Therefore, I can't just fully say funny situation, but it's like a happy, fun, something like that made you laugh, made you maybe smile. That would be like a bit lighter than to say funny, right? That would be linksma situacija. Linksma situacija. Sad would be liūdnas, liūdnas, liūdni, liūdna, and liūdnos. Liūdnos, plural, liūdnos. So a sad song would be liūdna daina. Liūdna daina. Liūdna daina. And happy, and the same word for lucky as well, and actually happy, would be laimingas. Laimingas, laimingi, laiminga, and laimingos. So something like lucky number would be laimingas skaičius. That's like number 1, 2, 3, or number as in numeris, right? Both of these work. Laimingas skaičius or numeris. We have sort of different words for that. If I'm saying just like a number of a house, that's a numeris, right? But if it's just an actual, like a sort of a, think of skaičius as more like a digit, but you can say it like, you can say lucky digit in Lithuanian. That makes sense. Laimingas skaičius or laimingas numeris. It's all fine. Even if it's like a specific number that's lucky for you, you would actually say lucky digit. It would say like laimingas skaičius or laimingas numeris. Yeah, so this is it for this lesson. I hope it was interesting and useful. And if it was, just come back for the next part, which is going to come out next week, okay? And as I said, try writing out a couple of sentences in the comments and we'll try to fix them. Maybe your colleagues will do it for you, you know. And yeah, if you want more phrases, more words, I have a PDF and audiobook in the description. Just download it, just click on it. And I'll see you in next lesson. Bye.